In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default search in Google Chrome. Let's get started right from your Chrome window. Look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. It's the small icon made of three vertical dots, sometimes called the More menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its tools and preferences. If your window isn't maximized, you might need to widen it a bit to see the icon clearly, but it's always at the far right of the toolbar. From that menu, choose Settings. When you click it, Chrome will open a new tab dedicated to your browser's preferences. You don't have to worry about losing your place. Your existing tabs remain open. The Settings page is designed to be straightforward, and the change we're about to make only takes a moment. On the left-hand side of the Settings tab, click Search Engine. This section specifically controls how Chrome handles searches from the address bar. If you don't see the sidebar, your window might be too narrow. Expand it and the menu should appear. Selecting Search Engine will bring up a page with a few focused options. Now, look for the line that says Search Engine used in the address bar. To the right of that text, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click that drop-down. This setting determines which service Chrome uses when you type a query directly into the address bar, also called the Omnibox, without going to a search website first. From the drop-down, pick the search engine you prefer, such as Google, Bing, or DuckDuckGo. Each option works well with Chrome. If you value broad results and tight integration with Chrome features, Google is a solid choice. If you use Microsoft services or Windows heavily, Bing may fit nicely. If you prefer a privacy-focused approach, DuckDuckGo is a popular alternative. Choose the one that matches how you like to search. Once you select it, the change takes effect immediately. There's no Save button to press. To see it in action, open a new tab and type a simple search into the address bar, something like today's weather, and press Enter. Your results should now come from the provider you just chose. Remember, this setting affects searches from the address bar and the new tab page. If you're using a computer managed by an organization, some options might be locked by your administrator. That's all there is to it. You've successfully set your default search engine in Google Chrome. If your needs change later, you can return to the same place and pick a different option just as easily. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a browsing experience tailored to you.